the inside, I realized napakaganda ng potential ng digital business kasi it's working automatic. There's an automation. Yun yung
Yeah.
number one na nagustuhan ko talaga sa kanya. Kasi I can do my thing as a nurse, and then my digital business can do its own thing sa side. And then all I need to do is be present and be coachable. And ano pa ba? Ito, yung support ng team namin, it's unwavering. Mafe-feel mo na they will guide you, they will train you. Everybody is welcoming, helpful, supportive, and doon na change yung perception ko. Nasabi ko, this business is good. It can be a legacy for my kids. And also for my apos in the future. You'll never know because passive income will be coming in the future.
Yeah.
Hopefully, I'm actually going for that. That's my goal, na maging passive income siya. And at the same time, may papasa ko siya sa mga anak ko. And then, sila na sa mga apo ko. And you'll never know what will happen on the next generations ng clan ko or ng family ko. So,